So I didn't have a lot of audio on this. There was a little bit when I was torquing it, but cleaning up the front strut bar here, it does have a nick in it, so it's not a perfect mint condition strut bar, but it's pretty clean. I cleaned up a few spots on it here, especially where it had some rust from the previous end links. Like I said, I think it has one little nick in it by the Type R sticker. Got new bolts. I put the bolts in the evapor rust and they took the black coating off, so I bought brand new bolts. I had to do a little bit of research to get the black ones that I think were original. Some of the new ones from Honda don't come black, so you've got to make sure that you do have get some of the older bolts to get the right color combination and everything. Everything I've seen shows them as black, and it would make sense since that matches the strut bar. They may not be exactly black, but they're close enough. But seems to match the strut bar pretty well there as far as the black coloring. But turned out really nicely, torqued everything to spec, and looks cleaned up really nice.
I previously discussed, this is the e-brake adjusting bolt. Mine was kind of corroded looking, so I just went ahead and bought a new one. So I'm going to install it.
So didn't have a lot of material for this particular video with the strut bar, and had this clip of me installing the e-brake adjusting nut, and so I went ahead and just threw it at the end of this video. This was right after I had painted the wheel wells and interior, but before it went to the paint shop, which is why you see the tarps.
Not too worried about it right now. I've got new pads to put in the rear brake, so I'm going to leave it as is for right now.
Hey guys, hope you enjoy watching the restoration of the rusty Barnacle, Integra Type R 98111. Please subscribe and keep looking for updates. Thanks.